What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is a jam-packed one. And so class is in session. I need you guys to make sure you take notes with some of the things I'm going to talk to you guys about today. But before we do that, listen guys, if I helped you in any way on this journey, whether that's helped you make some money, gave you a new perspective on the stock market, do me a favor and like and subscribe to the channel. Do what you can to help me reach the goal of 100K subscribers, okay? Without further ado, let's get ready to take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, on the road to 100K, your boy is currently sitting at $80,849.13 on the day. We've made a little bit over $250. It's been up and down all day, so I did see this over 81 today. But it's been a great week. You guys know, without adding no money this week, we have already made massive moves. Just if you look at the week, look at this guys, over 4.5% or equivalent of $3,500 plus. Okay, listen man, that is the power of the stock market, man. Some people again don't get this in working 2 weeks on the job, okay? And so just by investing in the right type of plays, you guys had a chance to do this and beyond, especially the more money that you guys have invested in the stock market. Before we jump into our home run play for the day, look at this guys. How many of you, let me know if you got your CBS play down in the comments, okay? Let's take a look at this. I want to know firsthand if any of what happened to me happened to you, okay? You guys know I bought this play live yesterday in our video. The market was still open, everything like that. However, just like when you know what's going to happen, I knew this was going to pop. And sure enough, this morning, let me take you guys back through when this had some life. Let's look at this. Around 9:30, it had been up over 52%. Check this out, guys. I go to check and see, I'm like, man, I'm up early. Sometimes this is what you need to know. Sometimes these plays, you might not even have them 30 minutes and they'll go through the roof. This was one of those type. I went to go and see if I could take profit, and all of a sudden, I didn't even have the dang on option, okay? The option, matter of fact, didn't come through until like around this time right here. Look, they try to let the option come through around 11:25 when the stock was way down, when I would have hit, or you would have hit as well, a home run as soon as the market opened today. So listen guys, those are some of the things that sometimes happen in the stock market. I'm not tripping. I'm looking for this to pop tomorrow morning around that same time, hopefully. I'm just hoping we didn't miss out on it, but regardless, I'm not tripping. We'll get it back with another play. Okay guys, check this out. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, currently sitting at $17.95. Somewhat down at the moment, but I had to double back because you already know this was a play that not only did we have on our watch list, but some of you may have already hit the home run in this by now. Look at where it was at throughout the day, over $19. And so I'm pointing this out because I know we bought this at $8.90, we bought this at $9, okay? That is a double up, okay? That is somebody that invested $5,000, now has $10,000, okay? And that is the power of what I talk about when I tell you guys what we're about to do with these plays. Check this out. Palantir had an opening of $18.28, but look at the 52-week high now, $19.25. Look at the 52-week low. This stock just came on the scene September 30th, okay? And just in that amount of time, those of you that listen and follow the channel, if you got into this play, you have had a chance for a great run up, okay? So that's what I'm leading into with where our home run play is next. And for those that follow me, you should be familiar with this one. Airbnb, they filed to go public. They did that this coming Monday, and as a result, guys, I couldn't be more happy. And so listen, as I want to give guidance to how we need to play this, beginning right now, start building out your cash position. Dry powder, all the words I teach you guys. We need to make sure that we have some buying power or some cash available to jump on this when this IPO comes out, okay? This will probably most likely hit around December, all right? And so when it does, I want us to take a nice position in this and be willing to hold this for at least 45 to 90 days to give this a chance to do what I just showed you Palantir did, okay? Again, this is another chance for you guys to double your money in another quality company that's trying to go public. So let's get ready to eat. In an eagerly awaited move, Airbnb is poised to go public before the end of the year amid a flood of technology companies tapping the markets, even as surging COVID infections roil the global economy. The stock will trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol ABNB. In a S-1 filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Monday, the home rental startup disclosed revenue fell 18% year over year last quarter. The company managed to turn a profit of $219. Airbnb logged 2019 revenue of $4.8 billion compared to $3.7 billion in 2018. After confidentially filing for the IPO with regulators in August, investors are finally getting a deeper look at some key disclosures the company has to make before it starts trading. Airbnb, which was founded in August 2008, joins a clutch of companies going public during a year marked by tumult and uncertainty created by COVID-19. Nevertheless, the U.S. IPO market has been red hot, with 232 companies filing to go public, a 19% year-over-year increase. Big names like Palantir, that was one of ours, Asana, Snowflake, Unity have debuted this year, and DoorDash, Wish, and Rebalance may go public before the new year. Last month, the company created a host advisory board, which will include 15 VIP Airbnb hosts, as well as an endowment fund of 9.2 million shares of Airbnb stock. That's what we're going to scoop up, guys. Early July saw a rebound with the company logging 1 million booked nights in a single day, something that hadn't happened since early March. More travelers are choosing to stay closer to their homes, opting for road trips or longer-term home rentals, mostly within 300 miles of their home. This dynamic has been a boom for Airbnb core business. Listen, guys, we are going to be all over this. I can tell you, whether the vaccine comes or not, people are tired of COVID. They're tired of being in the house. They want to do something. Airbnb is a safe way to do that something in a more modest approach, okay? We are going to capitalize on that by being invested in it and watch the rise that it will have, okay? And we're going to weather through the storms and the dips it may go through, but I got high hopes for this play. More importantly, I know everybody that's behind the scenes running this, and so you got some quality minds pushing a great company. Up next, guys, is our word of the day, and our word of the day is portfolio rebalance. Listen, guys, I wanted to talk to you about this because it's important that, again, as you are on your investment journey, you guys begin to embrace having a well-balanced portfolio. So listen, those of you that have more than 2 stocks, you need to listen to this and take notes of this right here, okay? You want to build out your positions in a way where you have a ratio of, like, say 5%. This stock X, let's just give it a name. Say Tesla is 5% of your portfolio. Then say Neo might be 5% of your portfolio. However, whenever something exceeds your barometer that you set, then you need to go in and rebalance your portfolio. So I'm going to give you guys a real life example of what this looks like, okay? Now let's look at one of my dividend stocks. This is Main Street Capital. Here at Main Street, ticker symbol MAIN, $31.27. This is a dividend stock. This is an income play. So when you look at these numbers, please put your logical hat on. This is not about growth, meaning I don't focus on where I buy this at. So if you look at my total return, it is only $479.74. If you look at the total average cost, $29.62. But look at the portfolio diversity. This makes up 11.38% of my portfolio. So if I was following what I'm trying to get you guys to follow and say that 10% was my max, I'd use 5 in the first example, but say 10 was the max. In a case like this, I would need to sell a certain amount of shares in order to bring this back down to 10% of my portfolio, okay? And this is what rebalancing means. You always want to look at your portfolio diversity and make sure that you're not overweight in something, okay? And so guys, do that, because I need to get us a lot more lean heading into 2021, because I'm preparing you guys for takeoff. We're about to win, we're about to dominate at a very high level, but we can't carry dead weight with us on a journey. So any stock that is not performing, any company that you hold that you no longer have an interest in, I need you to go through and do what you can to kind of see what you can cut and get rid of, and then keep the ones that's going to be along for the ride into the future. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful, man. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.